Sure. Here's a concise YouTube video script about Hero Splendor, assuming Saplander was a typo and you meant Splendor, a popular motorcycle by Hero Motocorp. If Saplander was intentional, let me know and I'll adjust. Intro. Welcome to Bike Empire, your go-to channel for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic commuter motorcycles in India, the Hero Splendor. Known for its reliability, mileage, and no-nonsense performance, the Splendor has become a household name over the decades. Let's explore why this bike continues to dominate the roads. A legacy of trust. The Hero Splendor was first launched in the early 1990s, and since then, it has built a reputation as a trustworthy workhorse. Generations of riders have relied on it for daily commuting, thanks to its simple design, low maintenance, and excellent fuel efficiency. It's not just a motorcycle, it's part of India's road culture. Engine and performance. The Splendor is powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled, four-stroke engine, which delivers just enough power for city rides while keeping fuel consumption incredibly low. With around 8 horsepower of power and a smooth 4-speed gearbox, it's not built for speed, it's built for economy and comfort. Features and design. While the Splendor hasn't changed much in terms of looks, recent models come with subtle upgrades like i3S start-stop technology, improved suspension, and updated graphics. Its upright riding posture and lightweight build make it perfect for navigating through traffic with ease. Mileage and maintenance. If there's one thing the Splendor is famous for, it's mileage. Riders regularly report over 65 kmpl, making it one of the most fuel-efficient bikes in its class. Pair that with low-cost maintenance and widely available spare parts, and you've got a bike that's easy on the wallet long-term. Final verdict. The Hero Splendor may not turn heads, but it delivers where it counts: practicality, affordability, and dependability. Whether you're a student, a delivery rider, or someone just looking for a reliable daily ride, the Splendor continues to be one of the smartest choices on the road. Outro. Thanks for watching Bike Empire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on the bikes that move the world. Ride safe, and see you in the next one. Let me know if you want a version focused on a different model or brand.